Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make your own Google account successfully using your computer or your mobile phone. Open the web browser that you use to go to the internet. Now enter Google sign up. Now go to this first link, create your Google account. Then you will get a form like this. In the first name field you need to put your first name, and the last name field also you need to put your last name. The username is your email address. Now when we have typed our first name and last name, Google creates a email address for us. If you need to change this, you can change this. I'm going to change this as this one. Okay, now this is my email address, rukshanvimukti.info@gmail.com. Now click on the password field. Now you can see the username field turned into the red, with giving me that username is taken. Try another. Then this means this rukshanvimukti.info email address has taken by another person. Now we need to change this email address little bit. I have added 2002 before the dot info. Now let's click on this password. Also you can see this email address also have taken by another person. Now I'm going to put V. Then let's see. Yeah, you can see this email address doesn't have taken by anyone. Now click on the password field. Now you need to create your password. When you make your password with a mix of these numbers, characters and symbols, your password will be a strong password. Right, now let's create our password. In the confirm field, you need to enter this password again. If you need to look at your password, you can check this box. When you check this box, you can see entered password. You can check now, this password is equals to this password. That must be. Right now, uncheck this box, click on next. Then you'll get another form. This asks you to enter your phone number. Now select your country from this list and type your phone number. Now in the recovery email address field, you need to put another email address to get your account back if you didn't have used your account for a long time. Now I used my recovery email address as this. In the month field, you need to select your birthday month. Now in the gender field, you need to select your gender. I'm going to check this as male. Now click on next. Now go down. This shows us privacy and terms. You need to read this, and after you read this, click on I agree. Now you have successfully created your Google account. You can see welcome Rukshan Limited because this is my username, that is combination of first name and last name I have entered in first form. If you need to change your account picture, you can click on this image. You can choose your profile picture from your computer by clicking on this select a photo from your computer button, or you can drag your photo into this window. Then your photo will be uploaded into this place. After you have uploaded your picture, click on this set as profile photo, then your profile photo will change. And close this one. Now you have successfully created your Google account. Okay, now this is all for this video. Share this video and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. Let's meet from another video.